Avocado toast is one of those dishes that is simple, fresh, and endlessly customizable. Today I'll show you how to make a classic version that is creamy, tangy, and full of flavor. Butter both sides of your bread with salted butter, or try a flavorful compound butter like the one I have linked above for extra richness. Place the slices on a hot pan and let them toast until golden on the bottom. Flip and cook the other side, keeping the heat low so that they don't burn. Once perfectly crisp, set the bread aside. Now grab a perfectly ripe avocado and scoop it into a bowl. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of salt. This will keep the color bright and add a little zing. Mash the avocado to your preferred texture, whether you like it silky smooth or a bit chunky. Let's bring it all together. Take a toasted slice and spread a generous layer of that creamy mashed avocado. Pile on some tangy homemade pickled onions. The recipe of how to make them is linked above, and juicy fresh tomato slices. If you don't have pickled onions, you can use fresh ones. Just toast them in a touch of lemon juice to mellow their bite. Finally, season the toast with some salt and pepper. Make as many toasts as you'd like, and there you have it, a classic avocado toast that is creamy, refreshing, and so satisfying. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a quick snack. Looking for something with a perfect sweet and savory twist? Check out my avocado toast with raspberry jam and fried eggs. See you there.